It's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Today is Tuesday, November the 7th, 2017, and this is today's math assignment, daily math assignment. Now, before I get into this, make sure that you have worked on your study ladder, 2 tasks for the day, and I know I owe you all like so many points. If I don't get kicked out the building, I might have to do that this evening. All right. What was it that? So study ladder and MobyMax, 10 minutes on fact fluency, 20 minutes on math. And remember, if you did not do it yesterday, Monday, you owe me all that plus whatever you need to do today. So make sure you get that done. All right. What else? Oh, and your task cards, make sure you're doing how many? 2 per day. So if you haven't, get that done in your notebook. All right, so moving on to today's math assignment, we are working on multiplying decimals. This is up in the room, bam, the purple chart in the room. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday right here where you need to come up with your own. Oh, this is cool. I'm like chilling in the chair. All right, so there's Monday if you haven't done it. There's is this thing straight? All right, Tuesday right there, Wednesday. Pause it if you need to. Oh, I guess I need to get up. All right, there's, what's that? Thursday and then Friday. Now, we've been working on adding and subtracting decimals, and now we're starting on multiplying decimals. So the rules are a little bit different, okay? So real quickly, when you're adding and subtracting, now make sure you watch the video in its entirety. Is that the word? Yeah. The whole video, because I'm giving you lots of tips and lots of lessons to help you learn how to do it if you don't know. So remember, when we're adding and subtracting, what do we do with the decimals? We line them up. That means the number on the top and the bottom, the decimal needs to be like right on top of each other. Now, the difference with multiplying is they don't have to be on top of each other. So one decimal can be right here and one can be right here. Okay? Either way, both you still write them vertically. All right, let's talk about filling in zeros. When you're adding and subtracting, you fill in the zeros in the blank spaces when you line them up. When you multiply, you don't have to fill in the zeros. You can if you want to, but then that just gives you extra zeros to multiply, which you don't need to do that, okay? What about the placement of the decimal? When we add and subtract, you put the decimal where? It goes straight down. So wherever it's at, bam, straight down. Bam, straight down. When you multiply, you have to count decimal places, all right? So hopefully you are really, really good at adding and subtracting. Thumbs up if you are. Woo, woo, air 5, air 10 to you, air 10 to you, air 5 to you, air 5 to you. All right, now give me that back if you're not successful. Make sure you ask me to help you if you need more help with that. Check out, we have like almost 500 videos on this channel. Just search up adding and subtracting decimals. Ask a parent, ask a friend. Don't ask a stranger. Don't ask a creeper. Ask somebody to help you, okay? Maybe an older brother or sister. So let me do some examples of multiply. I should have some videos on that too. All right, let me get my board. All right, so bam, here's my board. And we have these in the classroom. Make sure you have your marker. All my stuff keeps disappearing. So please make sure you have your marker because I'm running out of stuff. Stop taking my stuff. Put my stuff back. All right, so I'm going to pick a random number here. So I did a little example there. When you have some examples that you are confident in, you can come on and put it on the wall for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Yeah, don't write it too big so we can give other people a spot for them to write theirs. All right, so let's do, so I did one for Monday. Let me do some for Tuesday. I'm going to pick a number. Let me see. Let's do this. 3. How do I say that? 3. The marker's not even working. It's not working. All right. I got to be back. Now I got to throw this away. Now I got to go find where y'all put my markers at. Hold on. I'll be back. Markers. Where's the marker? Where's the marker? Where's the marker? Where's the marker? I found a marker. Maybe that one works. All right. Bam. Threw that in the garbage. All right, so marker 3 and 66 hundredths right there. All right, this one works. Right there, 3 and 66 hundredths times. Let's do, I want to do it multiple. Oh, this is that, times 3 and 6. No, actually, you know what? I want to do 4 and 9 tenths. 4 and 9 tenths. All right, so I'm going to write it just like that. If you notice, the decimals are not lined up. I'm actually just lining up the digits, and that's why you have your graphing notebook. We're lining up the digits, all right? So first, we're going to, can you all see that? Maybe I didn't move it like, okay, let me get comfortable here. All right, so we're going to multiply by that 9 first. 9 times 6 is what? 54, right? The 4, put the 5 up there. 9 times 6 again is 54 plus 5, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, right? The 9, 5 right there. 9 times 3 is what? 27 plus 5, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. All right. I'm done with that 9. Cross it out. Cross those out. So I am doing the regular standard algorithm. Just multiply. Ignore the decimals for right now. Okay? Can you all see that? Now we're going to multiply this 4. 4 times 6, 24. Put the 4, 2 up top. 4 times 6, 24 plus 2 again is 20. No, plus 2 this time. All right, 26. Did I do that? Do I need a calculator? All right. 4 times 3 is 12 plus the 2 is 14. Again, if you notice, I am not worrying about the decimal. Let's add. 4 plus 0 is 4. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 2 plus 6. 1 and 2 makes 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7, and then the 1. Okay? Now we need to put our decimal. Again, it doesn't go straight down, but do you see right here and right there? How many places after the decimal do you see here? Do you see this? There's 1 and then there's 2. There's 2 numbers after the decimal here. And how about here? There's 1. So I'm going to just put a little 2 right here and a 1. Can you all see that? So altogether, there are 3 digits after the decimal in the problem. So in our answer, the product, we need to go 3 times over. 1, 2, 3. Right there. So the answer is 17 and 934 thousandths. I'm going to go get a calculator just to double check because sometimes I make mistakes. So get your calculator while I go get mine. This better be right. Okay. 3 and 66 hundredths times 4 and 9 tenths. Up right there. There's the answer, and there's the answer. All right. So get your calculator and work on that in your notebook. Check it with the calculator. How many problems do you need to do for me? You need to do 5 problems for me, and I might go ahead and I'm not going to put this up there. I'm going to wait for you tomorrow to put that up there. So if you need to practice. I should have some videos of just regular multiplying with decimals on this channel. Almost 500 videos. We have almost 300 subscribers. So tell a friend, tell your grandparents, tell a cousin, subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and as a matter of fact, if you have any questions, comments, or if you want to put your own problems down, in the comments below, do that now. And I did post them on Instagram. The reception might not be working, so it should post by the time I leave the building, so it's there for you also. All right, love you all. Mwah.